Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the 80K Woods Walker channel. We focus on everything having to do with outdoor adventures. Today, we are in Southwest Pennsylvania with an amazing group of guys. Check this out. You may know this guy from the internet. This is Ben from Hilltop Packs. He didn't feel safe coming with John and I, so he brought his buddy Preston, his other buddy Jason, and bucket list item, my good friend
Dan Becker. How's it going?
John Kelley standing in for Dan Becker today. We're gonna go have a nice, awesome backpacking trip, stay overnight, get snowed on, and have a great time. Stick around.
TC2 is so much heavier. 7 liters of water. I expected it to land right in the middle of the water for some reason.
I got this long waterproof,
Somebody brought me wrong.
Did you wear boots or trail runners?
I got waterproof socks.
Oh, that's fine. This one's that one feels good. Sleeted, brother. So yeah, I usually like to use the really thick sea salt crystals for steak. They're gonna be thick slices, but try not to cut my fingers off. Alright, who's up?
Oh man, we woke up this morning to a couple inches of snow. The tarp had a crust of freezing rain underneath the snow. It's definitely an interesting night, and I'm grateful. I am definitely grateful. This was my very first trip in Pennsylvania, and I foresee it not being my last. So it's good stuff. Guys are packing up, and we're gonna load up our snowy gear into our backpacks and head back out to the car. Go find us a place to have a nice hot breakfast, I think. Awesome. Great night. Very great night. We were having such a good time at the end of this trip, I completely forgot to film an outro. But that's all right. It was awesome, had a great time, and really, if you're interested in watching some more awesome outdoor adventure videos, go ahead and click any of the links around. We've got John Kelley YouTube, we've got the Backpacking Podcast, we've got Ben McMillan, and you can go check out Hilltop Packs YouTube page for some really funny product videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.